Guys, let's go ahead and take a look at our lineup. Stuart Mason at the 1, Jacob Cruz at the 2, Todd Mason at the 3, Kevin Jones at the number 4. Guys, let's get off the cell phones here. Give our undivided attention for this race. Corner marshals are ready, and our drivers are ready. We're going to race it at the sound of the start tone. Race number 20 off and going. And we are officially at 12 o'clock. Guys, you got about 1 more minute to grab your raffle tickets over at the snack bar. They're going to start bagging and tagging all the rest of the prizes. Let's go ahead and do our final last call. The raffle sales close in 1 minute. Stuart Mason out in front, Jacob Cruz in second, Todd Mason in third. It's that light blue car. Coming in through the center of the course, Stuart, our race leader. Back across the start finish line, 10.9. Cruz in the second spot, 10.9. Todd Mason in third, 11.5. Just about everybody hitting their hot lap that lap except for Mason. Mason already has that 10.6. The light blue out in front, Jacob Cruz in the orange in the second spot. Jacob, kind of a touring car, modified touring car specialist. Good to see Jacob trying something new here with the 12 scale. Yeah, he is getting better every round. Confident, and the car is good. Across the start finish line, 10.8. Todd Mason in third, 11.4. Kevin Jones in the fourth spot, 14.6. Oh, man. Well, the orange car ejected from the center of the course. Jones got it on film, don't worry. Let's see that in instant replay. All right, 1:45 in and 6:15 left to go. Jacob Cruz dropping down to the third spot, 25.6. Driving like you borrowed it. All right, 2 down and 6 to go. Got 2 down and 6 to go. The light blue coming across the start finish line. That's our race leader, 10.7. Mason in the second spot, 12.4. Cruz in third, 11.4. And then in the fourth position, we have Kevin Jones. Jones last stop by 15.3. Our race leader over on the right-hand side, now back in through the middle. Coming across the start finish line, Stewart 10.9, backing it up with a 10.7. 2 minutes and 30 seconds in, 5 minutes and 30 seconds left to go. Mistake there for Stewart. They're still in one piece. It's about 45 left run. There's Stewart across the start finish line again. It happens so quickly in this class. 12.6, 11.9. Todd Mason in the second spot. We got father and son as our 2 front runners. Jacob in third. Jacob in the orange, back around through the center and across the start finish line now. All right, guys, 5 minutes left. Four minutes and 45 seconds left to go. Got 4:45 left to go. Race number 21, VTA A2 coming up next. Stewart, Todd, and Jacob, followed by Kevin. With that light blue just ripping around the course across the start finish line, 10.9. He's got the hot lap at a 10.5. Stewart back around through the middle, keeping it off the boards. He had one crash. Down the backstretch, out in front by 15.2. Todd Mason in the second spot, and then Jacob Cruz. We got a little battle for the 2 spot the last time by. So pink and blue versus the orange through the middle. And now across the start finish line, Cruz looks for an opportunity on Todd here. 3 minutes and 30 seconds left to go. right, we got this word in from the snack bar, guys. We got lunch being served in about 15 minutes. At 12:15, you can head on over and get your orders in. Teriyaki chicken bowls, guys. Sounds delicious for our Sunday menu over there at the snack bar. They'll have that ready in about 10 or 15 more minutes. So once again, guys, teriyaki chicken bowls for our lunch today over there at the snack bar. Mason out in front, cruising second. Todd Mason in third. Kevin in the fourth spot. 2 minutes and 45 seconds left to go. Go get your orders in for those teriyaki bowls. They'll be ready in a couple more minutes, guys. Two minutes and 15 seconds left to go. Got 2:15 left on the clock here. Stuart Mason still our race leader. An 11 flat the last time by. It's going to be an 18-second lead over Cruz. Full lap on the field. Almost 2 laps on the field. Stuart is set to go 44. Jacob set to go 42. Todd is set to go 41 laps. And Kevin Jones on a 32-lap mission. 1 minute and 45 seconds left to go now, guys. 1:45 left on the timer. All right, guys, so our raffle tickets have come to a close, guys. We are starting to bag and tag our raffle prizes. We'll let you guys know when we got all the prizes tagged. We are starting to bring over the remainder of our raffle tickets. Make sure we have all of them in our cylinder. We're going to start picking up and tagging the rest of our raffle prizes over the next hour or so. You can already go and see if you have a winner for the prizes that have already been tagged. 1 minute and 15 seconds left to go here. Finally, Stuart's got a sparring partner out there paired up, not for position down the back stretch. That is second and first. Second in the orange. First in the blue across the start-finish line. Less than a minute left to go. Oh, big hit right there, and we're clear. It was Stuart's fault. There goes his car, so it doesn't matter. All right, 40 seconds left to go. Got 40 seconds left. Jacob in orange across the start finish line. Body looks a little punched in. 25.5 second gap on the track right now. They're about 3/10 apart. 20 seconds left to go. Ten seconds left to go. White flag is out. Oh, photo finish, not for position. But it's going to be Stuart Mason taking the win. Jacob Cruz second. Todd Mason third. Kevin Jones, honorable mention. Kevin, you got fourth. Bring him in, shut him down, guys. Let's get the